ready? Oh, I almost dropped my phone.
And it goes a little something like.
It was barely out the window.
I know. Hey guys, so we're going on a road trip to Starved Rock.
Here's our designated driver.
Yeah.
Even though we're not going to go.
No, we're not. Unfortunately. So we're in this little tiny town. Oh, it looks so pretty. It looks really outdated. Everything looks like it's from the 80s or
Before the
80s. It's like
60s.
yeah. Oh my god. Everything is so. It's very barnyardy.
America.
This is so cute. Guys, we're here. Turn around. We made it.
It's so pretty.
Morgan,
Okay.
do not fall.
This way. I'm so happy. So this is what the trail looks like. Do it for the vlog. I'll go, but not all the way. We're getting a workout today, you boys.
Getting our steps in. Cardio.
You can't even see how many stairs there are. Wait, let me wait. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty though. I'm definitely gonna fall. I'm letting you guys know now. That's a long way down, my friend. Bugs, but when they're in nature, I think they're so cool. Whoa. We made it!
Waterfall.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah, going, going. Okay. Now they're going in. So guys, look at what I just found. There's so much water. We conquered the trail. We did it. How was it?
It was amazing.
Yeah, it was
Until
great.
I threw up.
It's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, do what you gotta do.
Go in on the floor. I love this record, baby, but I can't see straight anymore. Keep it cool.